It's the sexiest.
Just gonna slow-mo this for no reason.
What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be reviewing a stealth road e-bike called the Baby Maker. They actually reached out to me to review their e-bike, and they gave me footage and they gave me details and specifications regarding their e-bike. So what we're going to do is review their e-bike together, and I want y'all to comment below on what y'all think of this e-bike. What they should add, what they should remove, what you think about it. Also, if you want to donate towards their campaign to go live with this e-bike, I'll leave that link in the description below if you want to go make a donation. So without further ado, let's review the e-bike.
We set out to design a stealthy electric bike, one so sexy you couldn't tell it's electric.
Now, it is a really good looking bike. It doesn't look like an e-bike at all. You can't really see a battery or anything like that. And I like the color, and I believe when you order, you have the ability to choose different colors, which is pretty cool. Now, going by the handlebar and the wheels and the tires, it looks like this is not an off-road bike. This bike looks like it's only to be ridden on roads or sidewalks. Also, I've never been a fan of that type of handlebar, just because it always seems like it may cause lower back issues after a while, but maybe that's just me.
You may remember us from our first campaign when we launched a sleek line of electric bikes for the people. After delivering thousands of bikes around the world, releasing over a dozen new models and countless design iterations, we're ready to release the Baby Maker. It's the sexiest.
Just gonna slow-mo this for no reason. Alright, let's continue.
Redesigned with advanced technology for the modern world. The beauty is simplicity. Less is more.
You got enough going on in your life. The last thing you need is more gimmick features you'll never use.
So it looks like they're going with a more simplistic approach, which explains why there's not a lot of contraption around the handlebars. And there are a lot of features on my other e-bikes that I don't really use. I usually just get on the bike, select a mode, and go, and use my phone if I need to play music or anything like that.
There's no gears to fumble with, no keys, no GPS, no Bluetooth, no pointless app, so you can just enjoy the ride. The Baby Maker is simple. It works for you. Just turn it on, hit the pedals, and go. Traditional bikes are limited by your own pedal power, making hills and high speeds challenging. That's why we gave the Baby Maker a powerful motor discreetly placed in the rear wheel. Tackle hills with ease and get there in record time, all without breaking a sweat.
Want to get to work fast and fresh? Put in level 5 and let your Baby Maker do the work. Want some exercise? Put in level 0 and it's all you, baby.
So this bike does have 5 different modes. All of these modes do require for you to pedal, so there's not an option where you can get on the bike and ride electric only. The max speed of this bike is about 25 miles an hour, and it has a 36 volt 7 amp hour battery.
The Baby Maker's classic style turns heads everywhere.
Now let's talk about this seat. That seat looks uncomfortable. It may not be. With a seat like that, it definitely doesn't look like this bike is going to be helping you make any babies, if you know what I'm saying. But I've had to replace the seat on all of my e-bikes.
No ugly battery bolted to the bike. Instead, we ditched the unsightly cables and hid a high-capacity lithium battery right in the frame.
I do like them concealing the battery like that, but it would be interesting to know exactly how can you get to the battery in case you need to replace it. Also, it seems like you will lose the ability to quickly be able to remove your battery in case you want to post your bike up somewhere quickly and leave it and not have to worry about someone coming and stealing your bike and getting away with some additional electrical power.
The Baby Maker is so lightweight it pedals just like a normal bike.
This bike is pretty light. It's only about 32 pounds, and it can hold people of different weight classes, because when you order the bike, it looks like you can order a small, medium, or large version based on your height and weight.
When you need to slow down, just hit the powerful Magura hydraulic disc brakes and safely stop from high speeds in an instant.
This is probably my favorite feature of this bike. Both of the e-bikes that I have, I've had issues with the chain always slipping off because you're going at high distances, you're changing gears, and then you're going electric. So sometimes that it'll make the chain crooked or to make the chain slip off. So I've had to take my bikes to the bike shop multiple times for the chain. So I love this feature.
This gives you a remarkably smooth ride that is quiet, clean, and maintenance-free. The Baby Maker is our vision of the future of sustainable transportation. It gives you the freedom to ride faster, climb higher, and explore further than ever before. The Baby Maker is more than just a bike, it's a movement. If you want to keep more money in your wallet.
Speaking of more money in your wallet, let's talk about how much this bike costs. It looks like they currently have two models available, the Baby Maker and the Baby Maker Pro. Both of these models are currently on sale 45%, with the Baby Maker costing $1,049 and the Baby Maker Pro costing $1,337.
Have more time for the people you love and breathe more clean air, then this is the bike for you.
The Baby Maker is ready for mass production, so reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your help and our expertise, we're going to build you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever.
So the Baby Maker e-bike. Comment below on what you think of this e-bike, what they should add, what they should remove, what features you like. If you want to make a donation towards their campaign to go live with it, link is in the description below. If you had $1,000 or $1,500, would you purchase this e-bike? If you was on the market for an e-bike, comment below. Thank y'all again for watching. Peace.